What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, Mayvenn Hair is offering something that's a game changer right now. You order 3 bundles on their website and you get a free install. You can search your stylist, but I'm talking too much because I experienced it. I tested it out. I'm not going to recommend anything to you guys that I did not test out, so come with me. Come see for yourself. A girl loves to get her hair done. I'm always looking for the best hair extensions, the best stylist. I'm working with Mayvenn to try out this new experience. They are offering 3 bundles and they will pay for your hair install, which includes a shampoo, braid down, sew-in and style, which is paid by Mayvenn. You just pick out your extensions on the site. And I was like, yes, this is what a girl's been wanting. So this is how it works. You literally type in the location that you want to get your hair done at, which I am in New York. Mayvenn's site will search for stylists in your area, and then it'll pop up a list that you'll be able to pick from. From this list, you will then be able to pick out your bundles, which you can shop by style. Now, that's what I really liked about the site. I'm a visual person. I love looking at what style I possibly would want. So it's a lot of pictures on here. It tells you the lengths. So just think about what style you want to go for. So my bundles arrived to my house. Now, this is what your bundles will come in. It's a black satin bag with Mayvenn on it. And I picked out Peruvian loose wave bundles. I wanted a texture that had a nice wave pattern to it, just because versatile of maybe I want to wear it wavy, maybe I want to wear it straight. So this is what the bundles look like, and I got 3 bundles and 1 frontal because I wanted a frontal install. So the stylist that I picked, I looked around to see which stylist could do the best frontal install, and I was like, oh, okay, I got one. So let's head to my appointment. Just arrived at this hair salon in Queens. I just took out my braids. I wear hair extensions for protective hairstyle. So this is my natural hair. Let's go ahead and head into the salon because it's super windy. Let's get it. Hi!
How are you? My name is Mary and I will be your stylist for today.
Exciting. Super excited to get my hair done.
Okay, come this way for me.
We used to be so good together, like Bonnie and Clyde. Yeah, that kind of vibe, a love that couldn't last forever. Explosive, right? You're dynamite, but now my heart's so heavy. You moved on with your life and left me out. I thought that we would last forever, like Bonnie and Clyde. Baby, now I'm here in the flashing lights, drowning out my sorrows. Looking for someone in the neon lights who could make me let go. Who you sleeping next to? Tell me what you're up to.
If you made it to this part of the video, I know you're like, bundles and a free install. Bundles and a free install. I'm listening, Jayla. So let me tell you guys about my experience. I had a really, really good experience with Mayvenn. I didn't know what to expect walking in. I didn't know what to expect with the turnout of my hair. Honestly, you know, trying a new hairstylist is kind of scary, but she slayed my hair. I got my hair done 12 days ago and my hair looks good. I've just touched up the curls. You know, I'm making sure that I'm laying my baby hairs down every day, and tying them up every night. But Sherry was amazing. Her Instagram is Hair Dynamic Beauties. The stylist that I went to, Sherry, works in Queens, New York. She works at a salon there. It was about 25 minutes from my house. I live in Brooklyn, so not too deep in Queens. I know some locations in Queens are like really, really deep, just if you girls in New York was wondering, but I 100% am going back to her next time I get my install. I loved my experience with her. I really don't have anything negative to say at all. Nothing with the bundles, nothing with my stylist. Like, I 100% recommend you guys get your bundles from Mayvenn and get your free install. So if you're really interested in this, make sure you click the link in the description box. Check out the prices, check out the looks, the bundles, the closure, the frontal that you want, and see what stylists are in your area, especially if you're trying to find a stylist. I mean, they're certified. Mayvenn certifies their stylists, so they're already approved in their network. So I 100% recommend this, guys. I hope you guys use this. Let me know if you do in the comment section so other people can see your reviews on this. And yeah, let me know if you also use Mayvenn's hair. I really like it. I mean, look at this. Okay, look at this. So like I said, I will have my link in the description box so you guys can try out Mayvenn hair and get your free install. I want to know all about your experience. I 100% recommend this service. I really like it. I feel like it's a game changer. Honestly, I get my hair done all the time. Like, my hair has to look good. Like, you guys know, we got to have our hair slayed. This is perfect. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.